Make stuff from beads. Making stuff from beads. Yeah. Okay. Hello po. Hello, friends. Look! How yummy it is. Kimchi pasta. Kimchi pasta. Kimchi, bell pepper. Ano pa ba yung nilagay ko? Sarap. Super yummy. Realistic ng painting ko. Parang pwede talaga kainin. Siyempre, pag ako yung nag-paint, sobrang all-in talaga. Kaya mo pang lasahan. Sarap. Galing ko mag-paint. Hello, fake. The French guy. Actually, I'm gonna make stuff from beads. See? Nakalatag na yung bead stuff ko. Pero, syempre, kain muna tayo. I had to cook. I cooked kimchi pasta before streaming because, I want them to eat first. So this is made from garlic, bell pepper, else. Hindi ako nagpe-painting. Tawag doon, what else pa? Ulit. Garlic, bell pepper, kimchi, balsamic vinegar. That's it. Pepper, Cajun seasoning, tsaka dried basil, dried rosemary. I'm saying stuff in English. Fake. What flavor are the beads? This is raspberry. This is ube beads. Yummy. I guess this is gonna be an eating stream again. Hope of the universe. Sorry, I don't do that. Daming candy. Kita nyo to. Ayan o, dalawa yan o. Tapos ito pa o. Sobrang dami. Puro beads. Oh. Puro beads. Puro beads. Is OB trees good? Is that gummy worms? Not gummy worms. What? This one? You think this is gummy worms? Somebody discovered how to donate. Here comes the kwek-kwek streamer. What do you mean kwek-kwek streamer? I'm not a kwek-kwek streamer. Look, this is kimchi pasta. Yummy. It's a lot. I'm watching with my GF's brother. Hello, Kiyoshi's GF's brother. When matcha kwek-kwek? You're giving me an idea. Green kwek-kwek sounds kind of okay. Did you use the kimchi I made? Yes, I did. Of course. I wanted to eat pasta and then I remembered I had kimchi. So I made kimchi pasta. Ako na tuloy nag-crave sa Korean food. No, not menudo. I wanted to show something pala. Wait lang. Here. Yung mga ginawa ko last time, I glazed it with resin. See? It's shiny now. This is the hamburger that I made. It's shiny, see? Shiny, shiny. Nanguya din avatar. Yes, this is pasta. This is kimchi pasta. Hello there, Ichigo. Kimchi pasta. You like shiny buns? These buns are reddish. 2 buns. And then, the hot dog isn't shiny yet because we're gonna put mayo and mustard. Yeah, it's not sensitive stream. I'm making stuff from beets. I'm gonna make stuff from beets, but I'm showing stuff. Tasty. Look, this is the rainbow poop. I'm gonna repaint this because I don't like how it looks like. Another time, not today. And look at these! Yo, Yoshi, long time no see. You're alive. Yes. No, it's not edible, but this is edible. Look. So yummy. I want to eat again. I forgot I was eating. Yummy. I already have pancake, but I haven't painted it yet. I love how the burger has slightly burnt parts. Yeah, look, this is the lettuce with burger toast. And I have the, where's the partner? PB&J. Peanut butter and jelly toast. And it's magnetic as well. So if you're a couple, then you buy this. But if you're not a couple, then you have to find someone who's willing to pretend to be a couple with you so that you can buy stuff from me. Okay. Ganda accent mo. You need to make ube. Been out of the house for a long time. Yeah, the burger has burnt parts because it's real. Realistic. See? Look, the burger has brownish parts too. Hello, friends. I'm eating. I made kimchi pasta. See, it's spiral. Ouch, only pretend, sad for the singles. It's okay. Because for the singles out there, you will find another person who's also single. And instead of being partners with them together, you both drown in the misery of being single together. That's how you do trauma bonding. I'm kidding. Kailangan hanap ng kakawal para bumili. The burger is shiny, reddish, and has brown parts too. Dark knows their buns. Ping. Where's the kimchi? The kimchi is here. Oh, ayan oh. Ito yung... This is the cabbage. See, that's kimchi. See? Oh, the carrot is also part of the kimchi. Yes, kailangan mo pong maghanap ng kakopol para makabili. My dad is cooking to you. It smells good. What paste? What paste? You mean resin here? What resin? I used UV resin. Very well said. 1 out of 4 adults are gonna be single forever. Somebody's cursing you guys. Omner's cursing you. Every single... Oh. Speaking from experience. What? What? Trauma bonding coated. Okay lang maging single, guys. Oh! I forgot! The meat that I used here was the one I used in chicken dumplings before. The frozen, I froze it. Though it's not covered in I didn't wrap it. It's the filling of the dumpling that I made as a patty. I still had one left, so I used it here. So this is essentially Asian pasta. Because I got the paste sa kimchi. Oh. Paste sa kimchi, I I'm used glutinous rice flour with vegetable broth cube and gochugaru and garlic, ginger, apple. That's it. Pasta with kimchi dumpling fillings. Yes po. So yummy, oh. Okay, let's read the donations first. Zed sent GG. Thank you so much, Zed. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent live star. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent heart me. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle. Nabubulol na ako sa love you so much. Aristotle sent love you so much. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent cake slice. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Ichigo sent fried chicken. Thank you so much, Ichigo. I'm not eating raw uranium. I'm eating. Yummy. Raw cabbage from kimchi. Display lang yung spoon. Parang masarap yan. Masarap talaga to. Sorry guys, I'm just eating cause this is my lunch. I cooked before I started to stream. Ang dami pa! What the heck? Masarap talaga. Galing ko talaga magluto. Yeah, it's kimchi pasta with chicken dumpling filling. Cause I made chicken dumplings before, but I ran out of wrapper, so I made it a patty. And then I froze it. And then to cook it, I steamed that dumpling filling, and then I started stir frying it. Yummy. Siyempre, ikaw yan. Ako pa. Dang. Pag single nga, wala kayong pagsisiyan sa huli, di nyo mabiblame. Sarili. Aww. We have different lives here naman, and we will all lead different future. So I guess the only thing we can do is just be kind to ourselves and everyone else. Kasi we won't know what can happen. Happy streaming. Thank you, Beaufort. Ayaw mamigay. Siyempre di ako mamimigay sa akin. Sarap, gutom na tuloy ako. See you, Beaufort. Thanks for being here. Yummers. Super yummy talaga. Sarap. Oh, tingnan nyo. Spiral na pasta yan. Ayan, oh. Sarap. Let me have a bite. I give you 1 kimchi piece. Yummy. Hello, random car guy. You were here yesterday. Di lang pala tao pinapaikot, pati pala pasta. Pero, tinanong mo ba siya kung gusto niya na pinapaikot-ikot mo siya? Maybe they're into that. I'm back. Yoshi, we won't really know what the universe's plans for us are. Ang kailangan mo gawin, focus on things that make you happy. Kasi in this lifetime, in this world, kailangan nating i-expand yung ating world. Kasi minsan, pag napupunta sa isang bagay o isang tao, yun, dun lang iikot ang mundo mo. Medyo mahihirapan ka talaga. Mahirap talagang mag-move forward kapag may nangyaring masama doon sa dati mong mundo. So, ngayon, kailangan mong bumuo ng bagong mundo. Kaya mo yan! Gutom lang yan, madam, ha? Gutom lang yan. Welcome back. Leo? Ano luto mo po? This is kimchi pasta. Patatim! Kimchi pasta with yung chicken dumplings filling. Why mukbang? Cause I want to eat. I haven't eaten lunch. Magre-refill ka ba niyan? Ano mag-refill? Malapit ko na maubos. Ang dami ko palang nilutong pasta. I thought, konti lang. Uy, this one, oh. This is the chicken dumpling filling. See? Ano luto mo po? Kimchi pasta with chicken dumpling filling. Yummy. Nakakain ako ng malaking dumpling filling. Yummy. Super yummy. Why did you change your name? What was your name before? Hard lesson to learn. Wag gawin mong guyong dapat tao lang. Ha? What? What's that? It looks good. It's kimchi pasta. Sana all my filling. Masarap. Nothing. You didn't miss anything. I'm just eating. Because I'm gonna make stuff from beads. I was showing the burger I made. I glazed it with resin so it's shiny. Wait, where's the cookies? See, the cookies are shiny as well. Yummy. I was a Japanese name. Ay, mundo pala. Akala ko gagawin mong mundo yung tao. Oh. Yeah. Pag ano talaga, pag tawag dun, pag unexpected na mga bagay, mahirap matanggap. Ay, saka mahirap i-process. Pero, who made that mess? What do you mean mess? This is my paint, my clay stuff. Queen, thank you po. Kimchi, ba't kulay brown? I put balsamic vinegar. Yung ano, glazed sugar vinegar something. If you know, you know. My tummy hurts. Stop eating. I feel like I want to eat also. What do you mean? I'm eating because I didn't eat lunch yet. What rainbow? This one? Rainbow poop? This is the fly. I haven't painted the fly yet. This is the rainbow poop. See? Nakasilip yung hot dog. This one. My hot dog. This one. It's my hot dog. Yung bilo-bilo na ginawa mo, tinry namin na gawin. Napakasarap. That's great, Bob. I'm happy. That's Tangyuan. Tangyuan kasi yun, okay? And finally, so hot dog again. Bilo-bilo. It's Tangyuan. Sobrang sarap. Ang galing kasi, tinidor yung ginagamit ko sa pagkain. Pangtusok, ganyan. Tapos, naiwan yung mga chicken. Kaya ang sarap na nung huling mga bites. Oh, naubos ko na. Oh my gosh! Na-discover na naman kung paano mag-donate. Wait, basahin natin. Passive daw yung spoon. Mamaya ako nabasahin, tapusin ko muna ito. Sarap. Ang sarap ng mga dulong food. What are you saying, yummers? Huwag mag-spam po. Wait lang po. I mute. Do not spam po. 61. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Ano yan? Live star times 31? Aww. Isa sa mga kind dyan si Kiyoshi. Huwag kayong matakot sa kanya. Kahit minsan sasabihin niya na mag-donate muna sa kanya. Sarap. Nahulog sa table. Ayan na, last bites na, oh. Tingnan nyo, ito yung feeling ng dumpling. Oh, di daw siya kind. Si Aristotle ay natuklasan ng donate. Kahapon, first time gifter lang yan eh. Ngayon, nag-i-spam na. Yep. Okay, tapos na. Yummy. That was so yummy. Grabe. Medyo mapait lang dahil doon sa ginger. Okay, let's read. Let's read. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent live star. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent bibingka. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent TikTok times 8. Aristotle sent TikTok times 1. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent cake slice times 13. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent live star. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent bibingka. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Wow! Giga Chad. Spam mo sa bago mag-end ng stream. Para hindi mag-end ng stream. Grabe. Susunod na araw. O dahil ginawa times 30. Syempre! Times 30. Yung nakasulat dyan sa TikTok na times 30. Alam mo, isa-isahin ko yon. Ayan na. Magagawa na tayo ng beads. Lagay ko muna to dito. Display natin tong natin. Burger. Tsaka cookies. Tsaka ito. Oh, yan. Pamay ng mouse. Okay. Kasi yung gunting ko pala. Wait lang, napay ko na gunting. Saan ko nilagay yung QP Mayo? Pinapapa ko yung kanina. Anyways. Okay. Gagawa na tayo ng stuff from beads. Kaya ako nag-beads today kasi clay na ako kakatapos ko lang mag-clay, mag-paint. Sabi ko, iba naman. Lore update ko. Bakang QP May. Magkano daw yung sandwich? Ang tanong, Mr. Nonsense, may kakopol ka ba o? Kasi magnetic yan. Pag mag-isa ka lang, okay lang yan. Dalawa naman ang kamay mo. So, sa isang kamay to, tapos sa isang kamay to. Kaya. Pag hinihingan ka ng nanay mo, picture ng ng partner mo. Nakaganon ka lang, oh. Ma, magka-holding hands kami. Gawin kong hikaw. Kakopol yung kamay. Ayan. So, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Paano nga ba to? I forgot na. So, gamitin ko na lang siguro yung nandito na beads. Medyo madali lang to kasi siya, parang pattern. Pero usually hindi ako nagpa-pattern. Hikaw sa ilong. Tingnan nyo, may ginawa kong hikaw. Wait lang, hanapin ko. Eto, hikaw ko to. Happy ka na yan. Happy ako. Ginawa ko yung hikaw ko. Sobrang haba. Nawawala yung ka-partner. Pero sinusuot ko to minsan. Ako gumawa niyan. Gawa ka ng bracelet na very inspired. Oh, face reveal. Sige nga. Novel, hindi ka pa ba, Hindi pa ba sapat to? Ayan, kitang-kita mo na yung mukha ko. Nakasalamin pa ako. Tapos haba-haba pa ng hikaw ko. Tapos kulay violet pa yung buhok ko. Yan lang. Hello, Cad. Hikaw sa ilong. Single kasi kaya iisa lang. Ano yung iisa lang? Ha? Yung hikaw? Ganun ba? Yaman ni Ninang. Hayte, nagtitinda ka ba ng kabayo? Naku, Ben! Pwede ka bang ibenta? I'm so evil. 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 Nobody. I didn't say anything. I'm kind. Ikaw sa ilong parang baka. No string. Actually, gusto ko ng lip ring. Bumili nga ako ng lip ring na yung ilalagay lang. Parang pang ano-ano lang. Pero hindi ko makita kung nasaan. Edible ba yung burger? Yan, oh. Wow. Wow. O magnetic. O, di ba? Hindi ko ma-edit pangalan ko. Wala kasi ako magawa sa buhay kanina. Bendover. Sino si Bendover? Bili ako sandwich, lagay ko sa loob. Oh. Must have been the wind. Lahat ng bagay is edible. Edible if you will eat. Yes. That is true. So, bend what? What do you mean bend? Lagay mo yung kamay. Pwede na magtayo ng meriendahan. Kamatis. Wala ketchup burger. Oo nga! Tama si Mr. Fahrenheit. So, lalagyan ko to ng ketchup. Thank you. Pati ito pa pala, wala rin ketchup. Oh my gosh, may buhok. Tapos, ito rin. Ito, hindi naman kailangan ng ketchup kasi peanut butter and jelly. Wow, another one discovered how to donate. Wait lamang po. I will read in a bit. Hanap tayo ng iba pang... Alam ko na. This one. May egg sandwich ba? Uy, nga no. Wala pa akong nagagawang egg sandwich for the eggnogs. I will make one another time. Ginong sabaw yung ketchup. Anong sabaw yung ketchup? Walang ketchup pero may book. Grabe naman. Kailangan ng i-report sa food. Oh my gosh, hindi ako natutuwa sa itsura ng bracelet. Kailangan ata nito pattern. Eh, paano ba naman pag naggagawa ako ng bracelet, walang pattern? Sige na nga, gagawin ko na ng pattern. Para may bibili naman. Egg sandwich, de siopaw cat. What? Cat? Na nasa ibabaw ng siopaw? Pwede ko yun try gawin. Life-size egg sandwich. Grabe naman. Naubos na ginawa kasing sabaw. Yung jam to, jam, hindi to sabaw. Strawberry jam. Bidding today. Yes po. Yo, Moon! Oh my gosh, so many donations. Wait lang. Lalagay ko lang siguro mga 3 beads, tapos magbabasa ako. Kasi, alam ko pag wala, makakalimutan ko nag-beads nga pala ako today. Ayan na. So, pattern lang to. So, hindi ko kailangan masyado mag-isip. Kaya, nice. Okay, let's read. We discovered how to donate. Anime recommendations. Yuri on Ice. Yuri on Ice is a sports anime about skating. Kiyoshi. Maganda yun. Okay? It's sports anime. Okay? Sports anime. Hello, DJ Steam. Oh my gosh! Ang dami kong backlog ng babasahin. Di ba BL Yuri Ha? Ano yung BL, Kad? Hindi ko yun alam eh. Ano ba yun? Brotherly love? Siguro kung brotherly love yun, oo, maganda yun. Ibig sabihin, mababait sila sa isa't isa. Ilalagay mo sa projector, Yuri on Ice. Good, you're the sacrifice that we've needed, Kiyoshi. It's your responsibility. Okay? Napaka-innocent. marami akong natututunan sa chat. Dati hindi ko alam yung BL, pero dahil sa inyo, alam ko na siya ngayon. Brotherly love. I'm secret what? Hello, secret staycation fan. Sus. Entryway anime. What? Sia Moon. Hello, Purple. Lagi na lang may snatched iPhone 17. Ano ba yun? Why are you guys laughing? Kiyoshi! Wala kaming pinagtatawanan. Natatawa lang kami kasi, magandang i-appreciate ang all forms of love. Kasama ng brotherly love. Right? Let me look it up. It says, you don't have to worry. It's not sus, Kiyoshi. It's essentially a sports skating anime, okay? Hoy, wag yung Boku no. Brotherly love in short BL. Okay, let's read. Hem. I got this. I can do this, I think. Kado sent heart me. Kado sent bibingka. Kado sent cake slice. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent live star. Kado sent your awesome. Kado sent GG. Kado sent fire. Kado sent rose. Kado sent go popular. Kado sent bibingka. Kado sent cake slice. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent live star. Kado sent GG. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent fire. Kado sent TikTok. Kado sent rose. Kado sent go popular. Thank you so much, Kado. Dark sent rose, dark sent bibingka, dark sent fire, dark sent live star, dark sent GG, dark sent TikTok, dark sent ice cream cone, dark sent you're awesome, dark sent cake slice, dark sent you're awesome, dark sent love you so much, dark sent ice cream cone, dark sent GG, dark sent TikTok, dark sent live star, dark sent fire, dark sent bibingka, dark sent rose, dark sent live star, dark sent TikTok. Thank you so much, Dark. Woo! Boku no Hero Academia. Yun pala yun. Oo nga, pwede yun. Anong hell na? Ano, Kiyoshi, anong hell na? Yung Boku no Hero Academia? Grabe. Kado sent go popular. Kado sent cake slice. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent live star. Kado sent bibingka. Kado sent you're awesome. Kado sent GG. Kado sent fire. Kado sent rose. Kado sent TikTok. Kado sent cake slice. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent bibingka. Kado sent live star. Kado sent fire. Kado sent GG. Kado sent you're awesome. Kado sent TikTok. Kado sent rose. Kado sent go popular. Kado sent rose. Kado sent go popular. Kado sent rose. Kado sent cake slice. Whew. Kado sent live star. Kado sent bibingka. Kado sent fire. Kado sent GG. Kado sent you're awesome. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent ice cream cone. Kado sent live star. Kado sent bibingka. Kado sent cake slice. Kado sent fire. Kado sent TikTok. Kado sent GG. Kado sent you're awesome. Kado sent rose. Kado sent go popular. Thank you so much, Cad! Woo! Yay! Grabe. It's a BL. What's BL, Kiyoshi? Ano yun? Kunwari pa kayo kasi yung ako natuto ng BL, uy. Ha? Ano ba yung BL, Kiyoshi? Di namin yun alam. Lagot! Bakit ka sa amin natuto ng BL? BL is scary. What do you mean? It's not horror. Balut lover, said Tad. Yes. Kapag nanood ka ng Yuri on Ice, ang mangyayari, malalove mo yung balut kasi pinopromote nila yun. Kasi kahit Japanese show siya, po-portray niya ang Filipino food, lalo na ang balut. Kaya, pati bagoong. Yes, tama kayo. Mga Filipino food, native Filipino food. So, BL means bagoong and balut lover kasi it showcases Filipino food. Di ba maganda naman yan para sa ating kultura, lalo na tayong mga Pinoy na may colonial mentality. Kailangan ring matuto na mahalin ang ating sariling atin. Kaya panoorin mo na yung Yuri on Ice. Pag inopinan ko yung Google account ko, malilindot na. Ha? Wala kang ginagawang masama, Kiyoshi. Okay? Oh my gosh, mali. Tama pala. Labas na kami dyan. Oo. BL means what? Tanjian. BL means brotherly love. It means when two brothers love each other and then they hold hands and they kiss brotherly and then they hug in a brotherly way. And then what else do they do in a brotherly way? I think they also whisper sweet nothings to each other in a brotherly way. Right? Okay lang yun, malalaman ng kuya mo ang kulturang Pilipina. Because pure Filipino knows more anime than me. I, half Japanese boy. I don't know anime. I don't even know Filipino teleseries and I'm full-blooded Filipino. Okay na to, no? Dagdagan ko pa ng mga dalawa. Para masyado palang mahaba yung yung tali. Brotherly, ha? Yes, Jihan. It is, brotherly in all the sense of the word. Wait, let me search what BL means. Yoshi! Why do you need to search BL? You're still a minor. We're here. We're all here. You can trust us, the adults. Wait lang. Yun na, lapit na tayong matapos. Wow! Hala! Si Beaufort rin natuto na mag-donate. Ang haba, dami pa lang sinandikado. Wait lang, sana yun? Ito. Tinandaan ko yun after Go Popular yung last one. Ayan. Nagtutuhugan sila ng barbecue. Kasi nga, mahilig silang magluto. Tsaka, magaling rin sila sa sports, kaya nagpe-fencing sila. Tapos, maalaga sila sa mga sa mga espada. Kasi, importante sa kanila yun. Sabihin ko nga sa tropa kong BL lover na balut lover. Then, nasa na yung pinabili kong hotdog. Anong pinabili mo hotdog? I have hotdog. Bromance pala ang BL. Brotherly love nga. Tama naman kami, di ba, Kiyoshi? Nag-glitch ang aking model kasi natatakpan ng buho ko yung mukha ko. Try nyo yung dance. Sure. Ano yun? Happy streaming. Thank you, Beaufort. Basahin ko maya-maya ang iyong donations. Tapusin ko lang ito para masabing may nagawa ako today. Hello, Joy. Hello, Toby. Upside down mo daw yung hotdog. Ayoko nga! Ayan. Ayan na, may nagawa na ako today. Wala nang mangsisisi sa akin na wala akong nagawa today at dumalda lamang. Wait lang, itali muna natin siya. Tali. Ganyan lang yon. Kasi tali. Buti na lang nalaman ko bago ko nilagay. Ha? Sup? Hello, Amon? You're a wild Pokemon? Sayang. Missed opportunity. Nagkaroon na play sana Yuri on Ice sa projector ni Kiyoshi. Specifically, white lightsaber. White lightsaber. For the ano. Oh, in front of grieving people. Oops. Hindi kasi Kiyoshi, ano yon? Hindi. Ano lang talaga yun. Tawag doon. Sports anime nga talaga naman yun. Seryoso naman kami doon. Ayan. Pero ba't ka kasi magpe-play ng anime in front of grieving people? Yun rin yung tanong doon, di ba? Ayan na. Is it a gift for my love? For my love? If I had someone I love? I love myself. This is a gift for myself then. Sports anime naman talaga. Oo, ice skating yun. Ano lang talaga, yung meme kasi doon na ano, parang siya yung isa sa mainstream na anime na BL. Pero, hindi siya yung as in sobrang in your face BL. It's shonen ai, not yaoi. Wala pa kasing adults you need to watch anime. Ayan. Ganda! Brown and pink. Pwede na. Okay. Maraming Kiyoshi, maraming sa tingnan mo yung movie suggestions doon sa Discord natin. May nilagay doon si Dark yung ano yun? Something about pancreas. Don't eat my pancreas ba yun? And then something else. 5 centimeters of summer? I can't remember. Ayan. That's a lot of boba. This is beads po. Okay, I will read na po. Ahem. Saan na tumigil? Ahem. Kado-san go popular. Kado-san go popular. Kado-san live star. Kado-san bibingka. Kado-san you're awesome. Kado-san fire. Kado-san ice cream cone. Kado-san GG. Kado-san rose. Kado-san cake slice. Kado-san TikTok. Kado-san boo. Thank you so much, Kado. Buford the Great sent Hartney. Buford the Great sent Rose times 39. Buford the Great sent boo. Thank you so much, Buford. Kado-san live star. Kado-san fire. Kado-san GG. Kado-san bibingka. Kado-san rose. Kado-san ice cream cone. Kado-san you're awesome. Kado-san TikTok. Kado-san cake slice. Kado-san go popular. Thank you so much, Kado. Tada! Look! Sige, susuot natin to para pakita na may nagawa tayo. Berserk na lang i-play ko. Parang mas naman yan Go make them suffer. What you mean 39 times 39 read it all? Yan na! Times 39 talaga yung nakasulat dun sa sa TikTok. Times 39. Nag-English nag-English? Ayan. Liliitan natin yung color, naman ngayon? Berry nga pala, berry inspired. So, red. Lagyan natin ng red. Red. What else? What other color? Red and... Wala ko atang red masyado dito Ayun, meron akong red actually pala. This one. Griffith. What's Griffith? Yan. Saan pa yung mga red natin dyan? Hala! Saan ako tumigil dun? Sa ni Kad? Saan yung last niya na Hanggang GG. Sabihin na lang natin hanggang GG. Ay, hindi. Saan niya natapos? Oh, no. I don't know where it ended. Saan ba na? I'm back. Nagsaing lang me. Welcome back, PJ59. Nood na lang kami ng mga memories. Okay, mas okay naman yan, Kiyoshi. At least you're celebrating her life. May I see the burger, please, kung may grilled slice sa loob. Daro! Wow! There. Hawaii. Akala ko yung nasa dulo. Griffith. Hi, Bak. Nagsaing lang me. I'm dad. Gumagawang bracelet to. May nagawa na akong isa. Tapos, red. Tsaka ito. Pwede na yan, oh. Red. Wala na akong ibang red, eh. Wait nga. Tingnan natin. Meron pa ba akong ibang red? Oo, ito lang yung red ko. Ang galing namin mag-duet sa karaoke. Ayan. Parang hindi masyadong maganda yung color. Ba't ganon? Kailangan merong dalawang white sa gitna ata. Kailangan meron siyang dito. Ay, shemay ka. Yes, that's how I curse. And then this one. F4. What F4? Bakit kasi may pasok pa rin kami? Hindi kayo nag-sem break. Best memory naming dalawa is nung pumunta kami sa Togi. Pumasok kayo sa loob ng lumpiang Togi. Togi Garaw pala, joke lang. Okay. Let's just tuhog the beads. Ilang oras na ako nag-stream. Okay, 47 minutes. Inom muna akong tubig. Hydrate before you dehydrate, guys. Drink water. Oh! Yummy! Water so yummy. Okay. Yun, mas maganda ng itsura niya. Ang ganda tingnan. Ito, hindi ko gusto yung kulay nito actually. 5-star water. Yes. Does anybody remember kung saan nagtapos yung donation ni Cad? Basahin ko na lang mula sa TikTok, okay? I burped. Wala, bakit may itim? Kadosan TikTok, Kadosan Cake Slice, Kadosan Go Popular, Kadosan Fire, Kadosan GG, Kadosan Ice Cream Cone, Kadosan You're Awesome, Kadosan Rose, Kadosan Bibinka, Kadosan Live Star, Kadosan TikTok, Kadosan Cake Slice, Kadosan Go Popular. Thank you so much, Kado. La, ayaw sa block racer. We do not discriminate against color and size. We accept people of all nations. What? In the stream. Anong ginagawa mo? Nagbi-beads po. Ayan, oh. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Naga-focus yung camera. I'm beading. Ha! Meron. Yan. Gulat ako, nag-donate na. Kakatapos ko lang magbasa. We accept any size and colors in the stream. Yes! In the stream. Tapos ay na-follow. Naku, na-misclick. Siguro malaking fingers mo. Zurified. Kaya misclick mo. Coffee date. Aww. Basta the thing when when we remember those that have already left us, it's great to remember that in this life, they were a part of our lives and we were a part of theirs, and we won't have it otherwise kasi not only were they able to make us happy, we also made them happy. We also took care of them and loved them. So that's something to remember in, I guess. Yeah! Nick, we are the loyal knights of Marhaya. Only wow, my finger heart. Okay, wait lang. Ano nga ba yung ginagawa ko? I can't remember. Ang hirap pala pag may pattern rin kasi kailangan mong mag-isip. Last one. Ito yung pang filler ko yung crack beads na kulay. Ito yung tsura niya. Crack beads. Filler ko siya lagi. Di malinis kuko ko! Oh my gosh! Nakikita niyo yung kuko ko. Kasi ang haba. Yeah. Sometimes talaga, we experience the unexpected things. Ew! Pasensya po, guys. Ayan, wait lang. Pwede na to, no? Lagyan na lang natin ng isang ganito. Merong grayish. Nagluto ko! May kimchi sauce pa. Ayan na. I-ano na natin siya, ibuhol. Focus, focus. Ay, meron nga palang di nagugas ng kamay. Di nagugas ng pinaglutuan. Good afternoon, hungry hyena. First time ko mag-rage. Aww. Yan. Okay na to, and then we cut it. And then, itakip na lang. I'm focusing. Todo! I'm so awesome! I'm so galing. Oh! Dalawa ng aking bracelet. Speaking of rage, have you watched Bahama? She's so locked in. I like the colors. Me too. Yung una, hindi ko masyado gusto yung colors actually. This is brown kasi brown. Brown and pink. This one, it looks so nice. It looks so shiny. Gusto ko rin yung square yung shape netong Ganda. Gawa pa nga ako ng ibang ganun. Ay, blue naman. May blue ako dito. May blue ako dito. So, next is blue. Mahaba pa rin talaga yung ko. Yung mga ginugupit. Chanting while focusing. Okay, let's read muna. Taking a break from making something. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent live star. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent bibingka. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent finger heart times 4. Ganun. Finger heart. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent live star. Aristotle sent love you so much. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent bibingka. Ay, ang dami! May laman yung mo, madam. May plema pa. Grabe! Nagbabasa ako tapos biglang nag-donate siya. Tinatry kong habulin tapos nag-donate pa rin. Blue naman. This one. Meron pa ako ditong blue. Tsaka meron ako ditong blue. Sa bibingka ako natapos. Haha, tinawanan yung sarili. Nananadya. Ayan. Okay, let's read. Aristotle sent bibingka. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent live star. Aristotle sent love you so much. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent bibingka. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Yay! Wow, first gift. Oh. Kahapon yung first gift niya. Tapos ngayon na-discover na kung paano mag-spam. Ayan. Blue naman yung ating gagawin. So, actually, pwede natin gawin yung katulad nung ginawa ko doon. Yung crystal and then blue. Dapat hindi pala blue-violet. Layo naman. No, nasa baba kasi may ganyan na nakalagay. Tapos pinindot ko send bigla. Pinindot. Biglang hindi na malaya. Nagsasend na pala ng gifts. Wait lang, iniisip ko. Wait lang. Iniisip akong iba. Actually, pwedeng dalawa sa magkabila. Para medyo maganda yung itsura. Baby colors. Actually, I'm trying to meron ako dito na puro magaganda yung colors niya actually. Ayan, no. I can make puro ganito. Kaso mauubos yung mga ganito ko, ayoko mauubos kasi. I have a lot of green pa naman. Di ka sure. Grabe naman, Mr. Nonsense. This will be the last. Last will be the first. So, ibang pattern siya actually. So, ganito yung gagawin ko. How much isa? Magkano ko ba ito binibenta? Kalimutan ko na actually. Mga 40? Alam ko 50 kasi yung ano. 50 yung... Nasaan na yun? Yung ganito. Or 45. Hindi, 45 yung ganito. Ito yung mga magagandang ano. Wait, papakita ko pala yung mga nagawa ko dati. Ito. Nandito yung sinasabi ko kay Mishi ng mga phone charm na nagawa ko. Ayan o, ang dami na phone charm. Kaso hindi ko pa na-display. Ayan, phone charm. Ay, walang ano. Oh my gosh. Ay, itong cute! Ang cute nito. Ayan. Ito pa, meron pa akong gawa. Kaso, ang pangit mo kapang matanda. Saan pa yung iba natin gawa? Ito, ano, mga ano naman. Oh, ito yung nagawa ko last time. Ano siya? Ayan, ganyan. Black and red. Tapos, ito oh, yung Nahida inspired. Ayos lang mangingatanda. Ano? Maging matanda. Ayan, kay Nahida inspired. Wow, ang ganda. Saan pa yung iba? Oh, phone charm to oh. Ang cute naman ito. May phone charm pa akong ibang ginawa. Ang dami ko palang ginawang phone charm. What the heck? Pink. Hindi pa natatapos. Hold. Hello, Ishika. Ayan. Ay, ito nagawa ko na. Natapos ko na siya. O, nalagyan ko na ng lock. Where can I buy that po? Actually, I sell these at our physical store. Kapag kasi, pwede naman mag-shipping, ganyan. Kaso, mas mahal pa yung shipping kapag nag-ano ka, nagpa-ship ka, ayan no. Tapos meron siyang lawit dito na ganyan. Tada! Ang cute, diba? Wait lang, nakatalikod yung flower. Wow! Tapos itong purple ang ganda rin, oh. Purple. You really want the pink phone charm? Wait. You can DM me. Ayan. Wow! Oh. Ganda nitong purple. Ang ganda! Tapos may rings pa. Ayan. Ito, mga phone charm. Mag-avail ka daw ng 500 pieces para free shipping. Yellow basket. O, ba't naiyak si Kyoshi? I mean, sa chat. Ito, ang ganda ako dito, oh. Ang ganda. Ginawa kong spacer beads yung mga ganun. Tapos ito, ang ganda. Anyways. Ayan na. Mamaya na uli. Ay, wait lang. May itim pa dito na ano, na phone charm. Ito, oh. Black phone charm. Grabe, may black pala akong ribbon. Ayan. Ah! times 11 tsaka times 7. Babasahin ko yan. Ganda ng red. Ang gulo ng aking lalagyan. Buy to take one from only today. Ayan. Ito, ang ganda nito. Ayan. So, lipat ko to. Aristotle Send Go Popular. Aristotle Send Go Popular times 11. Aristotle Send Go Popular times 7. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Tignan nyo, hindi ako nagjo-joke. Yan talaga yung nakasulat sa Yan talaga yung nakasulat sa... Ano yun? Basta dyan. Sa screen. Hindi ko siya shortcut ha. Ayan. Tuloy natin to. Ginawa ko ring spacer beads actually. Sa dashboard. Naku, kung malapit lang nakabili na ako ng rainbow po. Sa Cavite ka, diba, Dark? Malapit lang naman malapit kami sa Cavite kasi may MCX. Dapat daw isa-isa babasahin. Nakasulat talaga sa akin times 11 tsaka times 7. Isa-isa yun yung pag-send ng gift. Grabe yung mga to. Wag niyo nga wag niyo. Ay, hindi ko pala nabasa. Mr. Fahrenheit sent heart me. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Whoopsie. Natakpan. Ayan. Ano yan, te? Nagbi-beads po ko. Tingnan mo, may nagawa na ako. Ito. Oh! Meron pang isang nakadiscover. Ayan, tapos. Hello, Emma. Hello, Raymark. Bracelet or necklace? Bracelet po. Bili sana ako kaso sa Luzon. North Luzon. Isa na namang viewer ang nakadiskubre kung paano mag-donate. May blue rose ka dyan. Anong blue rose? Blue na rose na na... Actually, tingnan natin sa mga beads ko. Meron lang akong... Ay, meron! Ito, blue rose. Pero siya, frosted beads. Ganito lang ang meron akong blue rose. Frosted beads. And blue-violet siya, yung iba kasi. Hey, Mario. Does that? Wala akong dark blue. Ang meron lang ako ay... Ganon. Tsaka ito, reddish. Walang dark blue. Meron lang ako black and pearls. Pearl. And red transparent roses. Tsaka yellow. Wala. Yun lang yung dark ko. Tapos ito puro blue and violet na siya eh. How to solve Rubik's Cube. IDK. You've asked the wrong person. Malapit lang kayo. Nasa kami? If you check, you can check yung location na nandun sa FB. Ay, sayang. I-paint mo na lang. Blue rose. Malapit lang kami dun sa If alam mo yung Susana Heights, malapit lang dun. Ayan. Don't forget, drink your water. Yes! I just finished drinking water. Ako na taga Kalinga Range yun. Oh! Tapos, I will read donations in a bit. Focus lang muna. Para kunwari marami tayong nagawa today. My friend gonna make my VTuber model. Aw, that's great, Emma. That must be something na you're really looking forward to and excited to do. Yay! Mukhang mapupuntahan ko. Lipad na ako, madam. See ya, Mr. Nonsense. Di ko pa na... Thank you sa donations. Babasahin ko maya-maya pa. Lagi pa lang natabi namin 1 hour na. Oh, Saj. Okay. Nice. Tingnan natin yung itsura niya. Parang bracelet ng baby. I don't know. Somehow, it doesn't look so cute kasi may violet dun sa spacer beads. Kaya hindi ko siya masyado ma-appreciate. Baka mas ulo ko na tong ko. Tawag dun. Ang aking background music dahil araw-araw. Araw-araw na lang same background music. Yeah. Oh my gosh, di pa pala ako nagbubukas ng ML. Paano ko makiklaim yung Lolita skin? Oh my gosh! I just remembered. For my Lolita. Ayan. Tapos, isang... DCML. Huh? Mag-judge pa na pala next year. Wow. The sign of aunt? What do you mean? Yan. Tapos... Ito. Tapos na. Yay! Super chill ng chat. Love it! What you cooking, Tita Marhaya? Hello, Carl. I am cooking... beads! Dada! Bawal pala mag-shoutout. Oo. Ito, may ginawa na ako. 2. Actually, ito yung bracelets na may pattern. Kaya hindi ako masyado nag-iisip. Kaya nice. Good for me. Papakita ko yung mga nagawa ko dati. Yun yung mga yun yung mga walang pattern. Kasi mahilig ako gumawa nung ganun. Oh my gosh! Ay, Chemay ka! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Naputol! Sorry po. Let her cook now. May purple. Wait, pakita ko sa'yo purple. Ito. Sorry, medyo magulo. Tada! This is purple. Tapos siya? Tinatali siya, tas ina-adjust. Ay, hindi pala tinatali. Ina-adjust lang siya. Pag isusuot mo na. Tada! Yan yung itsura niya. Lapit ko. Di bang ganda? Almost F-worth. What? I'll trade my bracelet and donut card. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is anything pastel. So pastel yellow, pastel orange, pastel blue. Basta pastel color. I love it. Tapos Ito pa, green. Nahida. Ito mas maganda actually, oh. Kasi may malaking flower siya. Gusto ko yung malaking flower. Tapos, ayan. Nahida inspired. Ang gaganda. Parang fairy talaga. Dat pala sinuot ko to nung Katara. Para mukha akong fairy. Fairy Katara. Ano ulam? Japan ako next year. Uwi ako 2027 year. Okay, let's read donations. Kasi nakatapos ako. Ay, wait lang. Tapusin ko pala muna tong i-lock. Yan. Let's read. Mr. Nonsense and Fire. Mr. Nonsense and You're Awesome. Mr. Nonsense and Cake Slice. Mr. Nonsense and Heart Me. Mr. Nonsense and Rose. Mr. Nonsense and Live Star. Mr. Nonsense and GG. Mr. Nonsense and Bibinka. Mr. Nonsense and Ice Cream Cone. Mr. Nonsense and TikTok. Mr. Nonsense and Cake Slice. Thank you so much, Mr. Nonsense. Mr. Fahrenheit and Go Popular. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Mr. Nonsense and Rose, Mr. Nonsense and Fire, Mr. Nonsense and Love You So Much, Mr. Nonsense and Bibinka, Mr. Nonsense and Gigi. Thank you so much, Mr. Nonsense. Mr. Fahrenheit and Cake Slice, Mr. Fahrenheit and Bibinka. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Aristotle sent Paper Crane, Aristotle sent Cap. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Wow! Natatawa ako kasi iba na yung mga iba-iba na yung sinisend. Na-discover ata ni Aristotle. Sabi, ano to? Paper crane. Isend ko nga. Ano to? Cup? Ay, isend ko nga. Kailangan 18 plus para makapag-send. Hello, Mimasor! Nag-spam si Mr. Nonsense. Mag-send ng gift. Ayun na, wait lang. Tingnan natin. Oh! Ito yung tsura niya. Tanggalin ko muna isa-isa. Ito yung blue lang. Wow! By the way, pag sa stream, mukha akong maputi. Pero morena talaga yan. Ayan. Ito yung pangalawa. Dami ulit nag-send. Marhaya, can you share the Discord link? Yes, Mario! Mario, you just DM me. And then you can join the Discord. I'll send you the link. Because the one in my profile is expired. Shiny, shiny. See? This is the first one. Tada! Galing. Galing ko. And then this one is what I made before. I think this would look better if there was something gold here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna lock this in together. Yan. Palitan mo na yung nasa profile. Di ko papalitan kasi, ano ba? Well, I do have mod volunteers na actually that can handle people kasi I'm just scared if I just make it public, mahihirapan na. Mahihirapan. So, I just, I screen them first. Kailangan nila i-DM, they need to DM me first so that I will know that they are the one who went who joined the Discord server. So that, oh, this one is Ren, this one is Michi. Yeah, so Because before, I think there was somebody who joined the Discord server that wasn't really my viewer. They just pretended, I think so. Yeah, so they were trolling. So, yeah. Okay. I think I'm done. I'm kind of tired. But I haven't made a purple one yet. I need to make a purple one. Purple, 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 purple. Purple. Last one. We're gonna make last one, then we're gonna do story time. Drink water again. Hydrate before you dehydrate. Yo, Sakrin. Mario, you can just DM me here in TikTok so that I can send the Discord link to you. Once you join, Sakrin will have someone who's also English speaking only in the server. Because currently, Sakrin's the only international viewer in the server. Mario wants to join the server. More like Granny. What? What's the plan today? I made bracelets, see? Oh, actually only 3. Because I was busy talking. So, this is the first one. And then... I'm reading a lot of Tagalog chats. Good translators never been used more. We actually have an English... We have an English only... what do you call this? English only channel there that nobody uses. Dang, I got restricted. It said I'm restricted because I'm redirecting to viewers outside of TikTok. What the heck? I'm just showing off the things that I made. Beads pala. Kala ko pagkakapasok ng beads. Just ask her so she can finish the bracelet. What? What do you mean ask me? I'll use it alone. You can't say thy word. Oh, dang. Thank you. I got it. So I'll just say DC. No problem, Mario. Mario also uses a translator, see? Mario's really fluent in Tagalog now. You can't say purple up or red up names too. I see. Thank you, Sakrin. It's because I don't know how to use TikTok. Nakalagay ata yun sa pin sa DC. No problem. I'll, what else should I do? I forgot. What was I doing? No, actually, I'm gonna do story time na. I'm not fluent in Tagalog. I know. But the translator makes you seem so fluent. Maybe she's gonna make a house. We are fluent. I'm gonna do story time now because I'm gonna rest after. My tired bones, my old bones are not with me today. Mariah Housing Project. Wait a bit. BRB! Hello, friends. Okay, the model has glitched. Okay. I will just. By the way, if you're very sensitive, you may choose to leave the stream because I'm gonna be reading this story. Right. I'm gonna be reading this one in English later and this one in Tagalog because this has no English. Wait, actually I'll just find another English one. Wait a bit. Okay, I'll read. Oh my gosh, it glitched again. Okay. Okay, I'll read these two in English because we have English viewers here. I mean, international viewers here. Not the side eye. It's more easy how you learn full Portuguese than me learning Filipino. Portuguese, learned bom dia. And I forgot the others. Wait, let me remove my accessories. Okay. We flashed again. Sorry, guys. Oops. Mga asong lilipad na sa aking salad ng lettuce. What? A dog flew in your salad. Another ghost project because of viewer keep asking what? Okay, let's read these stories, and we will after that we will end stream. So I read this first in English. I have a wait. The dogs are angry. These are the dogs of our neighbors, okay? Not our dogs. See you, Kiyoshi. Pray well. And I'm also gonna be reading something kasi na sensitive. May paborito, but that won't wake me up. Let's wait for the dogs to calm down. It's because they're welcoming somebody in their cult. I'm kidding. Okay, done. I have a penis. Story by Genaro R. Gojo Cruz. And illustrations by Beth Parocha. I have a penis, Nanay says, because I'm a boy. When I take a bath, Nanay always makes sure that it's clean. Rubs it with soap and washcloth till it's foamy with bubbles. Washes it with water and wipes it dry with a clean towel. She says we should always clean the parts of our body that are hidden from sight.
Nanay gives me clean undies to wear. I feel refreshed. I hold it every time I pee on the little potty that I bought for me. Different things happen with my penis. Every time I pee, it opens like a faucet. Sometimes I pee so little, out comes a few drops only. Feels so ticklish. Feels so giggly. When I am asleep, my penis seems asleep too. It's shriveled up, all wrinkled, as small as a newly hatched chick. When I am awake, it also wakes up too. It grows big and stiff. I feel like I have to pee again. Like my eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, Nanay says I have to take care of it. It's a part of my body that is really important to me. I have a penis because I am a boy. This is one reason why I have one.
And that is I Have a Penis. Story by Genaro Argojo Cruz and illustrations by Beth Barocha. Yay! I have these. I have a penis, and I also have I have a vagina storybook, because it's one way for children to learn about their genitals, and it's also age appropriate to explain it to them, because here in the Philippines we don't actually talk about that. So it's easy for children to be sexually abused because they don't know what they have. They don't know that they're the only ones who are supposed to touch it. They're the only ones who are supposed to see it. And at least teaching this to kids, they would know that having these private parts are part of the body means they also have to clean it, take care of it, and keep it safe. Yay! Is this Lampara or Phoenix? It's Lampara books. Yeah. Marhangaya, hello. Nice book, yes. Excuse me, your excuse. Ishika, I don't don't spam po. The junior when he woke up was standing tall. Yeah, because that's essentially how it works. Okay, let's read the next one.
But that won't wake me up. A story by Annie Pacanya Lumbao and Anelka Lumbao.
Illustrations by Liza Flores. Actually, here it says two names. Anelka is the child of the author. So they wrote the story together because it's real life experience.
The moon was shining outside Maya's window.
Tomorrow is a school day,
Nanay said.
It's time for bed.
Nanay, how can I wake up early tomorrow?
Maya asked. Don't worry. I will whisper good morning in your ear, then shake you till you get up.
Nanay assured Maya. But that won't wake me up,
Maya said. Then I will set the alarm clock, place it by your bedside, and let it ring loud in the morning. Ring!
But that won't wake me up.
I think I will have to get Lolo's rooster and let it crow on your pillow. Maya smiled. Lolo's rooster crows the mightiest in their neighborhood.
But that won't wake me up.
What else can we do to wake you up in the morning? Nanay thought aloud. I shall call Mang Ambo, the taho vendor, and ask him to shout in the room. Taho!
Yummy taho. But that won't wake me up,
Maya said with a giggle. I shall lead the marching band and march inside your room. Boom, boom, boom.
But that won't wake me up.
I know. I shall pull the sun through your window and let it shine brightly in your room. Maya screamed as she pulled her blanket over her head.
Oh, but that won't wake me up,
Maya whispered. If that won't do, then I will just have to ask Teacher Lydia to come over tomorrow and wake you up for school, Nanay said, smiling.
No, please don't do that.
Why? Nanay asked.
Teacher Lydia won't fit in my room anymore. There's already you, the alarm clock, Lolo's rooster, the taho vendor, the drums, the marching band, and the big, bright sun,
Maya reminded Nanay. Nanay smiled at Maya and whispered, If you sleep now, I'm sure you'll wake up early tomorrow.
Okay, Nanay. Good night.
Maya finally said as she yawned and closed her eyes. Shh. And that is But That Won't Wake Me Up. Story by Annie Pacanya Lumbao and Anelka Lumbao, and illustrations by Liza Flores. Yay!
Pero hindi pa rin ako magigising.
Oh no! Somebody got muted. I could be an awesome voice actress. Be mindful with your words so that you don't get muted. Be kind. Be kind in be kind with your words, okay, guys? This book makes sense because it's 6:30 morning already, I see. Hello, Moon. Actually, I'm gonna end stream in a little bit. So actually, I love this story as well because it has a lot of onomatopoeias. So you say ring, and then we have tiktilaok. Tiktilaok is like cock-a-doodle-doo in Filipino. And then we have taho, taho. So this is a Filipino dessert where somebody has this pail thingy that they go around the streets, roaming around the streets, and they shout taho so that they can sell to people. But nowadays, the taho vendors ride the motorcycle, so it's hard to catch them. Taho is silken tofu with sugar syrup and the sago. And then we have this one as well. Boom, boom, boom. And then, And it's so funny that the mom scared her about bringing her teacher over. Oh my gosh. Soya pudding with sweetened caramel syrup and mini tapioca balls. There! Calvi said it. Okay, I will memorize this. Soya pudding with sweetened caramel syrup and mini tapioca balls. Wala na magtataho sa amin, Saj. Taho street vendors have leveled up throughout the years. Happy for them. Bukas na lang ako mabawi. Dati naghahabol, ngayon hinahabol na yung magtataw kasi wala na dito sa amin, Saj. Sa amin, umaga pa rin lang. Eh, hindi na ako nagigising ng umaga. I wake up like really late now, so I'm sad. I can't buy taho anymore. So these are the two stories that we read, but that won't wake me up, and I have a penis. So, and they also made these. So, red bracelet. And then blue bracelet. And we have pink with brown bracelet. Yay! So, thank you all so much. Ay, hindi pa pala ako tapos kasi hindi pa ako tapos magbasa ng donations. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's read this. Nabasa ko na ba yung sinend ni Mr. Fahrenheit? I don't remember, but I will read it again. Mr. Fahrenheit sent cake slice. Mr. Fahrenheit sent bibingka. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Aristotle sent paper crane. Aristotle sent tap. Aristotle sent paper crane. Aristotle sent boo. Aristotle sent friendship necklace. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent Gigi. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Yay! Random jokes muna. Anong random jokes? Nandito na ako sa harap nyo. Isa akong malaking joke. Isn't it funny? I can't. Well, I'm laughing at my own joke, so I'm happy. I'm gonna end stream now. Okay, bye. Have a good rest. Thank you for being here, Mario. Yeah, I'm actually gonna end stream now. I'm gonna show off again the ones that I've already glazed. See, it's so shiny now. But I'm gonna put ketchup on it so that it will look better. I'm gonna make a glaze like this one. This one is a. So I'm gonna make something like this, and then I also have this melon pan. I made it. Kahit late na ako. Mada joke is me. What? Bye-bye kahit late na ako. Glossy Bon! Meron pan. Shiny, shiny. And I also have... Where is it? Shiny cats. Shiny cats. And I have shiny cookies. I don't know where the other cookies are. Cookies. Shiny, shiny. Walang play command. Wala! Biplop. Shiny, shiny. My donut cat is here. See, looks so nice. I don't know where I put the donut, yung kinagatang donut rainbow cat. Shiny cat. And I have shiny dog. Donut dog. May panlaban na sa hotdog dog. And then I have shiny fish. Shiny fish. Cookies ba yun? Parang mga bato. Cookies nga to. Lusig Graham Boss. These are cookies. I made it from clay and then I glaze it with resin. See? Oh my gosh, my nails. What else? I think, oh, I have tomato. I glazed the tomato. It's a magnet. Tomato magnet. Oh, I should have glazed this part as well. Anyways. Donut cut. Oh, shiny, no rare. Donut dog and hot dog dog. Yay! Siopaw cat another time. Shiny vibrating fish. Wala. Nandun. Orange. Yay! So that is all. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will catch you all on the next time. Bye-bye! See you all! ML? Oo nga, no? Mag-ML. Anong oras na? Yes! Hindi pa 6 PM! Pwede pa mag-ML. Bye-bye, everyone! Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow. Yeah! Bye-bye! Oh yeah! Good thing I actually recorded this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna end the recording now.